Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and this is the second annual version of how much money we've earned on YouTube over the past year. So last year we earned about $1,500 with around, I think, 2,200 subscribers. And this year we're up to 3,830 subscribers as of the time of recording. So that's about a 75% increase over last year. Which I think is good. I don't really know what to expect here. Just a fun hobby for me and learning all the time. So I really appreciate you guys watching the videos, sharing them, commenting. Really appreciate communicating with you guys on there with that. So like I said, last year I made about $1,500 with 2,200 subscribers. And I'll pause the video here and share the numbers with you on the computer screen. So here's a look at what I've earned over the past 28 days with the YouTube Google AdSense. About $138 per 28 days, which is about the same as usual here. Looks like I get about $3 per every 1,000 views. So that's just for the last 28-day period here. Let's go to last 365 days, which would essentially be the year of 2022. So just below $1,900 for the year. And like I said, last year, 2021, earned about $1,500 with around 2,200 subscribers. And right now we're at about 3,830. So yeah, $1,900 with YouTube AdSense. And then I've also earned about $200 from Amazon, the Amazon affiliate links. So really appreciate you using those links. So we look over the past few months here. Looks like the lowest was 152, and then 174 in September. And December is ongoing here still. Not much longer in December or the year of 2022. So last 365 days, you can see my best performing video as far as revenue, ad revenue, was this rigid miter saw stand, and that video was well over a year ago. Same for this Milwaukee video, Milwaukee versus Bosch. First watch video here on the list, $39. That's the Casio Duro. I put it on a bunch of different straps, strap show. And then here another shop video, $11. It's like a power strip that turns on the other outlets when you use the main outlet. Okay, so let's take a look at the lifetime, which would be over 2 years. So $3,400, over $3,400 over 2 years. I really don't know what to expect here, but I mean, that's great. And like I said, that's not all. That's not all profit. Taxes get taken out of this, and then also I buy and sell a lot of watches. I lose money on that, and have to pay for shipping on watches. But anyway, this is just about the ad revenue, so $3,440. So here again is that rigid compact miter saw stand, $131 on that. Just about 94 bucks on this Casio Duro strap show. I need to do some more of those with the watches I have, and I have a bunch of different straps I just purchased, so we'll try that out. Let's go to see more. I don't look at this stuff all that often. Maybe I should. I just don't. So here you can see, I already looked at these first 5. So a shop video, watch, shop video, watches. This is kind of, I don't know what this would be considered, but I just compared 2 ammo cans to each other. I think I paid like $5 for each of them, so 45 bucks off of that. Pretty cool. And here again is another video with that miter saw stand. So $37 for this one, $131 for that one. So what is that, $168 basically in ad revenue, and I think I paid $100 for this thing, and I'm still using it. It still does tip over, but that's a story for another day. So again, just wanted to show you a quick look at the revenue here. So I think that will wrap up this portion of the video, and go back into the workshop and wrap up the entire video here. Well, as you can see from the numbers, we made about $1,900 with the YouTube AdSense, Google AdSense ad revenue, and just over $200 on the Amazon Associates. So pretty close to $2,100 for the year. And as I mentioned earlier, I'll have to pay taxes on that, and I have expenses, right? I buy and sell a lot of watches for video content. I have to pay to ship watches around, that kind of stuff. But it's a fun hobby for me, and I really enjoy doing the videos, creating the videos. I do also receive some free products, which I haven't included in this. Quite honestly, I really don't keep that well track of that kind of stuff. So I do get some watches, some free watches, some watch rolls. Recently got in some watch winders, so do receive some free products. Also, I have been offered money for videos, paid videos, whatever you want to call it. I don't do those. I don't know if I ever will. I just feel a little strange about actually receiving money in exchange for a video. Being able to keep the products, I feel that's different. So I don't have a problem with that. But as far as being paid for a video, it's just not me at the moment. So, but I think I'll wrap up this video. As always, I appreciate your time, and thank you for watching.